What's up? I'm Scott Pilgrim. I ride for Twisted BMX, and this is my bike check. Start off up in the front here. I got ODI long neck grips. I just got them today. I really like them. I got the ODI Barons. I got DK Crazy 8 bars in black. I got the stock DK stem. And right here, I got the DK stock fork. It's alright. It's kind of heavy though. I got the DK peg. I got the stolen revolver front rim. I got Kendai contact tires all around. My frame is a DK General Lee. Going down here, I have stolen 25 tooth class ring sprocket. I got a purple Cam C chain. Colony clear fantastic pedals. That's like literally what they're called. I like them. DK stock social cranks. Oh, my seat and seat post. My seat is a United. My seat post is kink. It's a pivotal. I got a I Heart Boobies bracelet around it. It's fun. My seat clamp is stock. It came with the frame. I got some stickers on it. I got some villin dance comp. On the other side, or right here, I got a Sunday. And going to my back end, I got a stolen revolver rim, another DK peg, and Kendai contact tires, and